Hey, John Lee, water-fed pole expert and Westy fan. I've got a brand new tool here I want to introduce to you from World Enterprises. It's the World Enterprise Trad Adapter. What this little baby does is it allows you to use your Xero water-fed pole, not the old version with the glue-on clamps, but the newer one, as a traditional window cleaner. So if you're like me and you like different brands of squeegees, Unger, Mormon, Ettore, any of those, this little tool will allow you to simply snap those onto the top and use it as a traditional window cleaning pole. It's real simple. You just slide out your pole tip, angle adapter and brush, snap in this new little fancy dancy tool. Make sure it's loose, slides in, lock it in place. It has, I don't know if you can see, but it has the holes that the different brands like Unger, Ettore, and Mormon use that allows them to snap in and lock into the top. That way you can use any of the traditional window cleaning tools and they'll actually lock into place with the locking mechanisms that the manufacturers now are using with the pole tips. Again, that is the World Enterprises Trad Adapter. Call me anytime to order it today, or any day.